Amazon shoppers know the thrill of scoring amazing deals. And today we're counting down 5 incredible finds that'll take your viewing experience to the next level. From cutting-edge TVs with mini LED technology, to smart devices that stream your faves in stunning 4K, we've got you covered. Let's get started with the top spot. First up is the Roku Smart TV Pro. One of my favorite smart TVs on the market right now has got to be the Roku Smart TV Pro. First of all, let's talk about the picture quality. It's absolutely stunning. The QLED screen is like having a painting come alive in front of you, with thousands of mini LEDs that make colors pop and highlights shine brighter than ever before. And with Dolby Vision IQ technology, you get an even more immersive viewing experience. But what really sets this TV apart is how it looks when it's not being used, thanks to the custom mount that lets you hang it flat against the wall like a work of art. Plus, with the hinged bracket for easy access to cables and inputs, you can keep everything tidy and organized. It's a TV that's both functional and beautiful, making it perfect for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment experience. Number 2 is the Hisense U7 Mini LED ULED. So let's talk about the Hisense U7 Mini LED ULED. One of the things that really stands out to me about this TV is its ability to handle bright rooms and harsh lighting conditions. The anti-glare layer on the screen is seriously impressive. It keeps the picture crisp and clear even when there are a lot of reflections or glare around you. And if you're into gaming or watching sports, the native 165 Hz refresh rate is a game changer. It eliminates blur, lag, and smeared frames, so you get incredibly fluid action that's never going to miss a beat. After that, we've got the Hisense U6 Pro series. The Hisense U6 Pro series is a real showstopper. One of the standout features has to be its mini LED backlighting, which creates a staggering contrast that just draws you in. Imagine watching a beautiful sunset or a dramatic scene with candles. It's like being right there in the room with it. The picture is so vivid and lifelike, it feels almost real. But what really sets this TV apart is its ability to keep up with fast-paced action. With its native 144 Hz refresh rate, every frame stays crystal clear, so you can focus on the excitement without any blur or delay. And when you're watching something with deep bass like an explosion or a great song, the built-in subwoofer really brings it home. It's immersive and engaging in a way that feels incredibly realistic. Moving on to the TCL Amazon Exclusive Class T7. This TCL Amazon Exclusive Class T7 is a game-changer for anyone looking for an exceptional viewing experience. With its stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, you'll be able to see details that were previously lost in lower-resolution TVs. The quantum dot technology really makes it pop, with rich and vibrant colors that will transport you into the world of your favorite movies and shows. But what really sets this TV apart is its smooth viewing experience. The 120 Hz panel refresh rate ensures that action-packed scenes are silky smooth, free of motion blur. Imagine watching your favorite sports game or blockbuster movie without any distractions. It's like having a personal cinematic experience right in your living room. Last but not least, the Roku Smart TV Pro. The Roku Pro Series TV offers a powerful streaming experience with its brilliant 4K picture and immersive audio. For example, you'll enjoy rich, accurate hues on the QLED screen, making movies and TV shows come to life in exceptional clarity. But what really sets it apart is its ability to deliver razor-sharp details, thanks to thousands of mini LEDs that precisely control light emission. This results in vivid highlights, deeper darks, and realistic depth that will draw you in and keep you engaged. And there you have it, folks. Our Amazon Finds countdown is complete. Be sure to check out the links to all of these amazing products in our description below. Grab whatever catches your eye and has everything you need.